Hey guys, on today's coverage with Crowley, I want to talk about mailing in your insurance payments and why it's not a good idea in 2021. Ever since the COVID-19 virus has hit us, has anybody else noticed that mail has taken a little bit longer to get processed than it ever has before? Now I know that you've probably mailed in all of your payments for all your monthly bills, whether it's your mortgage, your car payments, your cable, or your insurance for many years. So this is going to be a little different for you. But your insurance payments and your insurance policies are probably the number one thing you do not want to get canceled because your check is floating around waiting to get delivered and processed to your account. If a claim happens during this little window of time where your policy runs out or cancels and your payment's still floating around, there could be an issue with your insurance company paying that claim. Now, most likely you're going to be able to, tell the story and show that it was, mailed out and the dated and all that kind of stuff to get it to, work and be okay. But it's a huge hassle that you don't want to deal with, especially when there's other options. You can call the insurance company to pay your bill over the phone. You can do that for almost every bill that you pay. You can still use the same checking account or credit card that you do now. You can set up an account online if you're comfortable with that, paying it the same way. You can also set it up on auto pay, so you don't even have to deal with it, and it just automatically comes out of your checking or off your credit card. The thing is, it's most likely cheaper if you set it up on auto pay or pay it that way. If you don't have to pay a bill, you're most likely not paying billing fees. There's also discounts just to avoid that hassle. So my suggestion to you in 2021 is to learn different ways to pay your bill and do not rely on the post office to, get your check where it needs to in the short window that you have to make those payments. Hopefully this helped you. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be glad to help.